All right, I didn't come up with this idea. I actually got it from another channel, and I will link them below so you can watch how they did it as well. I'm going to do it a little bit differently, but if I buy this and this as a complete set from Weld Tables, I think it's about 50 bucks for the clamp. If I want to make 6 of these, that's $300. I can make 6 of these for about, well, less than $30. That's a huge savings. That's about 10% of the cost. And as infrequently as I'm going to be using them, having the higher quality setup is probably not going to be imperative. So stick with me. If you need some inexpensive clamps, this project might be for you. So to do this project, obviously you need the clamps, you need the bolt, and I also picked up a nut. You don't need a bunch, just one's sufficient. I wanted to make sure that when I cut these, they'd be level. In addition to that, obviously you need the tools to do the job, but if you have a weld table, there's a good chance you got a grinder or a metal cutting saw, and I've got a couple different options to use. I might use both of them in this video just to show the different ways to do it. So let's get this done. All right, so there you go. I have 3 clamps holding this 2 sections of 4x4 pipe together. That's an example of how I'd use this. Prior to this, I would have tried to hold it kind of together with magnets or some other things that I have. It wouldn't have been as stable as this. This isn't going anywhere. It's going to move my whole table before it moves the parts. So this has been a huge upgrade for me. Very expensive. I just checked my invoice and I paid $2.99 for the clamps, the short ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the 6-inch clamps for $2.99 a piece. I think the longer ones, the 10-inch clamps or 12-inch, whatever they were a couple bucks more, but they were on sale. It's pretty cheap. For less than 1 clamp, I made 6 clamps. Can't beat that.